Hello, my name is Heather O'Callahan. My student ID is 3062514, and today I'll be performing the Nursing Foundation's 1001 Personal Protective Equipment Lab that shows how to properly don and doff equipment. For the first portion of this lab, I'll be performing donning, which is putting on the equipment. For my first step in this process, I will be applying hand hygiene with alcohol waterless based hand sanitizer. If my hands are visibly soiled, I would have washed with soap and water. Now that my hands are dry, I'm going to go in with my gown for my next step. And I'll be securing that with both ties. For my next step following, I will be applying my mask. And following that, I will be putting on my protective eyewear. And in appropriate situations, I'll be using my face shield for extra protection. My next step, I'll be applying my gloves. And making sure that those go over my gown so there's no skin exposed. Perfect. So this is what it is to properly don your equipment, and now I will be proceeding with my doffing portion. For the first step, I will be removing my gloves. So I'm not touching the outside of them. My next step is hand hygiene. Now that my hands are dry, I'm going to move on to removing my gown. Also important for this step to not touch the outside or the exposed area of the gown. And grabbing the inside of it and properly disposing of that as well. For my next step, I will be performing hand hygiene again. Now that my hands are dry, I'll be proceeding with taking off my protective eyewear and disposing of that, and also disposing of my mask. For my last step of the doffing process, I will be performing hand hygiene one more time. And that is how you successfully don and doff personal protective equipment. Thank you so much.